Make one of these candygram signs for someone that you love that's having a birthday, or maybe they've been in the hospital and they just need a pick-me-up card. So here's one that I made for my husband. Turning 53 isn't anything to snicker about. Your joints will start to crunch, you'll have butterfingers, and your mind will play. Can you guess what candy bar's coming next? Twix on you. You can use full-size candy bars and the full poster board. I just cut my poster board in fourths, and I use the snack size for the candy bars. And I ended it with, we wish you mounds of almond joy and want you to know there's millions of Reese's, which you can't see. We love you. Christy and the 3 Musketeers, which are my 3 dogs. Let me know what candy bar I missed putting on the poster board.